Band, bring it down. Good evening. Welcome to Soulful Sunday. We want to welcome all of the mothers all over the world. Happy Mother's Day to you and to the city of Pompano. We love you. Thank you for having us tonight. I want you to sit back, relax, and have a good time tonight. You're in for a show. We're Intonation, the sounds of Motown and more. You're in for a party. Band, y'all ready?
Ready.
Come on, let's have a party tonight.
Let's do it. Oh, yeah.
Listen, there's been so many things that held us down, but now it looks like things are finally coming around. I know we got a long, long way to go, but where we end up, I don't know.
But we gon' let nothing hold us back. Putting ourselves together, marching up behind back.
And if you've ever been held down before, I know you refuse to be held out anymore.
Don't you let nothing
stand in your way.
I want y'all to listen.
Every word I say, every word I say.
Ain't no stopping us now.
No.
We're on the move.
Moving.
Someone that has a negative vibe, and if they try to make it, they only push you aside. They really don't have nowhere to go. Just ask them where they're going, they don't know.
But we gon' let nothing hold us back.
Putting ourselves together, polishing up my well.
And if you've ever been held down before, I know you refuse to be held down anymore.
Don't you let nothing
stand in your way.
I want y'all to listen.
Every word I say, every word I say.
Ain't no stopping us now.
No.
Ain't no stopping us now. We got to grooving, baby. Ain't no stopping us now. I know we got it.
We got it.
Ain't no stopping us now. We got
Said leaving the negative people way behind. There ain't. Please don't make me stop. Please,
Don't
please.
stop.
Please don't make me stop.
Don't make me stop. Hey.
Don't won't stop. Please don't make me stop.
Don't make me stop. Don't make me
Don't won't
stop.
stop. Please don't make me stop.
No.
Don't won't stop. Please don't make me stop.
I ain't buying.
Don't won't stop. Please don't make me stop.
Oh, I ain't lying.
Don't won't stop. Please don't make me stop.
Don't make me stop. Hey.
Don't won't stop. Please don't make
Come
me
on,
stop.
fellas, sing it with me. 'cause I ain't bought it. We got the groove.
Ain't no something
I know we got it.
Woo!
Come on.
Don't you let
Nothing stand in your way.
won't you
Listen.
All right, all right. Come on, let's take them a little higher.
I know you wanna leave me, but I refuse to let you go. If I have to beg and plead for your sympathy, I don't mind, 'cause you mean that much to me. Ain't you proud to beg? And you darling, please don't leave me, girl.
Don't you go,
Ain't you proud of me,
baby, baby.
please don't leave me, girl.
Don't you go.
Now I heard a blind man is half a man. You know, sense of pride. If I have to cry to keep you, I don't mind me. If they'll keep you by my side. Ain't you proud to be, no, sweet darling? Please don't leave me, girl.
Don't you go,
Ain't you proud of me,
baby, baby.
please don't leave me, girl.
Don't you go.
If I have to sleep on your doorstep all night and day, just to keep you from walking away, let your friends laugh, even this I can stand, 'cause I wanna keep you anyway I can. Ain't you proud to
Sweet
me?
darling,
Please don't leave me, girl.
don't you go,
Ain't you proud of me,
baby, baby.
please don't leave me, girl.
Don't you?
All right. All right now. Now I got a love so deep in the pit of my heart, and each day it grows more and more. I'm not ashamed to come and plead to you, baby. The pleading keeps you from walking out that door. Ain't you proud to
Sweet
me?
darling,
Please don't leave me, girl.
don't you go,
Ain't you proud of me?
baby, baby.
Please don't leave me, girl.
Don't you go, sweet darling.
Baby, baby, baby.
Don't you go,
Baby, 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 yeah.
sweet darling.
Please don't leave me, girl.
Don't you?
Come on, everybody, put your hands in the air. The man on the streets at night, picking up all kinds of strangers in the passing right. You can't score in the pockets, my baby. Do you want a name? Now don't you ask yourself,
right, City of Pompano, give it up for Miss Felicia.
You know, there's some things that we like to do easy, like a Sunday evening. You know what I mean? And we're grooving, like I said, Sunday evening grooving. You know what I mean? And we're grooving. But I'm gonna take you way back, listen. Lived a good job down in the city. She working for the man every night and day. But I never lost 1 minute of sleep. And I was worried by the way things might have been. Big wheels keep on turning. Round and it keeps on burning. And we're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. There's a lot of places in Memphis. Sing it.
Such a lot of places down in New Orleans, but I never saw the good side of the city until I hitched a ride on Riverboat. Big wheels keep on turning, round and it keeps on burning, and we're rolling, 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 rolling on the river, and we're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, rolling on the river.
Well, that's a good job in the city. Working for the man every night and day. But I never lost 1 minute of sleep. I worry about the way things are coming. Big wheels just keep on turning. Round, rolling, 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 rolling on the river.
Rolling on the river,
Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. If you go down to the river, people on the river, they are happy to give. You don't have to worry if you got your money. People on the river, they are happy to give. Big wheels just keep on turning. Round and it keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river.
preacher.
Now this, it is out walking the road. Love has up a soul, and there's nowhere to go. Oh no, say you made the choice, and now it's up to me to bow out gracefully. Though you hold the key, baby, whenever you call me, I'll be there. Whenever you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you need me, I'll be there. I'll be around. You know what? Now I knew just what to say, and now I found out today that all the word is swept away. I know there's always a chance, a tiny spark will remain, yeah, and sparks turn into flames, and love can burn once again. See, I know you know, whenever you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you need me, I'll be there. I'll be around. Hey, fella, let's reach for the sky, y'all. Whenever you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you need me, I'll be there. I'll be around. Hey, Troy. Troy, let me hear the other part of that thing, man.
My mama told me, she said, son, please beware. See, there's a thing called love, and it's everywhere. She told me it can break your heart, and put you in misery. See, I found this woman. See, it appeared it happened to me, but I told her that it's too late to turn back now. I believe I'm falling in love. It's too late, yeah. Turn back now. I believe, yeah. I'm falling in love. Check it out. I found myself wanting her at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times a day. But it's so unusual for me to carry on this way. You see her, I can't sleep at night. Oh, wanted to hold her tight. See, I found this a woman. See, and this feeling can't be right. But I told her that it's too late, yeah. Turn back now. Oh, I believe. Oh, it's too late, yeah, baby. Turn back now. I believe. I'm falling. Now listen. I found myself wanting her at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times a day. Yeah. But it's so unusual for me to carry on this way. You see, I can't sleep at night. But I wanted to hold her tight. See, I met this woman. this feeling can't be right. But I told her that it's too late, baby.
Turn back.
I believe, it's too late, baby.
Turn back.
I believe. Come on, Sam.
Whenever you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you need me, I'll be there. I'll be around. Just call me around, yeah. I'll never leave you alone. Just call out my name and then I know you know I'll be around. I'll be jumping and flipping. Yes, I will. I'll be rapping it on, yeah. Yes, I will. Just call out my name and then I know you know I'll be around.
All right, City of Pompano. How y'all doing tonight? Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers. We wish you a phenomenal day. Hope that everyone that is spoiling you and letting you know how much appreciated you are. Come on, fellas, let's take them a little higher.
Wait a minute. I said wait. You know you make me wanna throw my hands up and kick my heels out and jump on now, jump on now. Hey, 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 hey. I still remember when I used to be 9 years old. The hour I moved from the bottom of my soul.
And I want you to know,
Oh, yeah.
I want you to know right now, you've been good, better than I've been to myself. I don't need nobody else.
You know you make me wanna
Shout.
throw my hands up and
Shout.
kick my heels out.
Shout.
Jump on now,
Shout.
jump on now.
Shout.
Hey, 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 hey. I still remember when I used to be 9 years old. The hour I moved from the bottom of my soul.
And I want you to know, I want you to know right now that you've been good, better than I've been to myself. I don't need nobody else.
You know you make me wanna
Shout,
oh
shout,
I say
shout,
oh
shout, shout,
oh
shout,
come on and
shout,
oh
shout, shout,
oh
shout, shout,
oh
shout, shout.
Girl, to be with you is my favorite thing. Oh yeah,
shoes, just to boogie you. I wanna dance with you till the sun comes up. Oh yeah. I wanna play with you till you can't get enough. Oh baby. Oh, I wanna put on my boogie shoes, just to boogie you. Yeah. I wanna put on my boogie shoes, just to boogie you. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Come on, fella, let's do the cha-cha slide. Right foot stop, see left foot stop, see cha-cha to the right, cha-cha to the left. You turn to the right, now move to the left. Back it up, now jump. Come on, right foot stop, see left foot stop, cha-cha to the right, cha-cha to the left. Just turn to the right, now move to the left. Back it up. Now jump, right foot, left foot, cha-cha to the right, cha-cha to the left. Just turn to the right, now move to the left. Back it up. Now jump one more time, fellas. Right foot, left foot, cha-cha, just cha-cha, and then turn to the right, now move to the left. Back it up. Now jump, come on. Ow! I wanna put on my boogie shoes, just to boogie you. Yeah, I wanna put on my boogie shoes, just to boogie you. Come on, I wanna put on my boogie shoes, just to boogie you. Yeah, I wanna put on my boogie shoes, just to boogie you. Yeah.
I got sunshine on a cloudy day, and when it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Well, I guess you say what can make me feel this way, my girl. Talking about my girl. I've got so much on it, the peace in me. I'm gonna well, I guess you say what can make me feel this way, my girl. Talking about my girl.
Excuse us for a moment.
Hey, 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 oh yeah, hey, 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 ooh. babies, one man can claim. Well, I guess you say what can make me feel this way, my girl. My girl. Talk about my girl. My girl. Talk about I got sunshine on a cloudy day, my girl. And I've even got the mother, baby, my girl. My girl. My girl. All I can talk about, all I can talk about was my girl. Ooh. My girl. My girl. Oh, my girl. Oh, yeah. My girl. Talking about my girl. Talking about my girl. Yeah. One more time. Talking about my girl. My girl. Yes, my girl. Whoa, whoa. My girl. Talking about my girl. My girl. My girl. Whoa, whoa. My girl. My girl. Talking about nobody but my girl, yeah. My girl.
Give it up for Mr. Sam Clark.
This is a very special dedication to all the mothers. We want to take time to wish you a very, very happy Mother's Day. Baby. There's nothing like a woman, nothing in this whole wide world. And this song is for that very, very special woman. Yeah. Oh, baby. Yeah. Listen, my darling, I can't get enough of your love, babe. Girl, I don't know why. I can't get enough of your love, babe. Let me sing to you, baby. Oh, some things I can't get used to, no matter how I try. Oh, babe. It's like the more you give, the more I want, girl. Baby, that's no lie. Ooh, babe, tell me, what can I say? What am I gonna do? How should I feel when everything is you? What kind of love is this that you're giving me? Is it in your kiss or just because you're sweet? Girl, all I know is every time you're here, I feel a change, something moving. I scream your name. Look what you got me doing, darling. Hey, baby, I can't get enough of your love, baby. No, baby. Girl, I don't know why. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, if I could only make you see and make you understand. Oh, babe, girl, your love for me is all I need, and more than I can stand. Oh, babe, tell me, what should I say? What am I gonna do? How should I feel when everything is you? What kind of love is this that you're giving me? Is it in your kiss or just because you're sweet? I get the same old feeling every time you're here. I feel a change, something moving. I scream your name. Look what you got me doing, darling. Hey, I can't get enough of your love, baby. No, baby. Girl, I don't know why. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, my darling, I can't get enough of your love, baby. Hey, why. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Brother Chris, can you give me a solo? Hey. Let me get a little bit more, brother. Brother Alfred, tell me, what should I say? Come on, man. Hey. What should I say? What am I gonna do? 'Cause if I feel when everything is you, what kind of love is this that you're giving me? Is it in your kiss or just because you're sweet? I get the same old feeling every time you're here. I feel a change, something new. Come on, I scream your name. Look what you got me doing, darling. I can't get enough of your love, baby. No, baby. Girl, I don't know why. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Let's tell her one more time, fellas. Hey, oh my darling, I can't get enough of your love, baby. No, girl. Girl, I don't know why. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Come on, fellas, help me out one time. Girl, your love's so good it makes me say so sweet, daddy. I'll never find another love like yours. Girl, you make me say hey. First thing in the morning, last thing in the evening. Oh, girl. Oh, yeah.
Mr. Mario's secretary. Pompano Beach, how y'all doing?
How y'all doing?
Can't get enough, can't get enough.
Yeah.
Can't get enough, can't get enough.
Come on, man, let me go.
Oh,
come on,
baby. Yeah.
Give it up for Mr. Mario's secretary.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. To all of the mothers in the city of Pompano Beach, we want to wish you a happy Mother's Day. We hope that you're enjoying your day. I continue to enjoy your day. We want to let you know from Intonation, the sounds of Motown and more, that we love you and there's nothing you can do about it.
What you want, baby, I got what you need. You know I got it. All your basket, all in the ring, baby. Yeah.
Alicia, can you dedicate to this to all of the beautiful ladies out there in the city of Pompano?
I sure will.
That's Mr. Clint Powell on lead guitar. Sounds so good, don't you agree?
It's Saturday. We're not gonna make it. And it's gotten to the point where we just can't make it. Ooh. Wants to be us to say goodbye. He wondering what I'm gonna do without you. And I guess you must be wanting to say thank you. Oh, so we just go on again, living a life.
Come on, give it up for Miss Felicia. Before we get out of here, we want to introduce this lovely band. Can you all show some mad love for our musical director, Mr. Alfred Matthews? And of course, the man that holds the bottom down on that bad bass guitar, Mr. Mike King. And of course, we can't call him Young Buck no more. This young man right here that keeps the beat going. Show some love for Mr. DeVaris Coates.
And the man that's playing that mean guitar. A lot of rhythm, a lot of soul. It's none other than Mr. Clint Powell. Give him a hand, give him a hand. And next to him is none other than our brass and our horn player. We're talking about none other than Mr. Maxwell. Maxwell, give him a hand. Yes.
And to my left, all the way from Bethune-Cookman University, my frat brother, none other than, sorry Rattlers, then over there my frat brother, Mr. Troy McCrae. Over there to my far right, that man with that deep, silky hair and smooth voice. Show some love for Mr. Mario Singletary. And of course, she makes us look so good. Oh my God, we call her the diva of the group. Show some mad love, Pompano Beach for none other than Miss Felicia.
Felicia.
And of course, to her right, to my right, young man, and one of our lead vocals, been with me since the beginning. Show some love for Mr. Sam Clark.
And to my left, this is the leader of the group. We go way back. We've been friends for a long time.
Way back.
Way back. And I just want to introduce my brother, Cedric Mays.
And we are in
Two
two nations, the sounds of Motown and more. We want to send a great big thank you to the city of Pompano. I don't want to call no names, but to all of you, we love you. Thank you so much.
Love you.
Thank you.
And we hope to see you soon. Felicia is going to take us out to all of the mothers all across the world. We want to say Happy Mother's Day to you. Whether your mother's here, whether she's gone, we want to say Happy Mother's Day to you.
Happy
Felicia's,
Mother's Day, guys.
Happy Mother's Day.
Take him out.
God bless you.
Last chance for love. Yes, it's our last chance. Romance.